Hey guys, it's March 6th, Tuesday. I got off work this morning. Me and a buddy was gonna come digging. We dug. This is the overhang of the video from the other day. We dug all that around this rock over here. All we found was that end piece. And tip. We pretty much got this one dug out all the way to the rock bottom. So we came over here. There's another overhang. He's down there and the other overhang. Right here is really rocky. I was just testing, going pretty fast. He came down here. The fourth overhang. I was just sifting around on top, yelling my name like a little girl. Let's see. Finds that bird point with the here. Let me take. I gotta put them in my fingers. Got the base snapped off. And found this other tip. And then he found this. 3 bird points in like 1 minute. So we're gonna get sifting here. It's just scratching the surface. It's just so rocky. I'm gonna have to sift every bit of it. There's a view outside. Get back with it and find something else. I hope we do. Goes and wraps all the way around there. There's an overhang at that corner down there too. Hey guys, this is Devin. We're back here. Let the overhang out. Found me a broom. I'm just got my broom right here, taking it, sweeping it off, and we're putting it in buckets, sifting it. But let's see here. I just found my very first bead from here. Come on, little guy. Sweet. We'll get back with you. Find something else. Hey guys, we're back. I think we're gonna call this bird point day. My buddy Skurb here. One that found the 3 in like a minute and then giggled about it. It's got another one right there. Pick it up. At the base, bro. I have to get them cleaned up. I got some calcium on them. Huh. Alright. Get back with you.
That's fucking
Hello.
killer.
We're back. Well, I'm just loving this day. This is my first bird point.
Killer.
My buddy has 75 of them. Where? Oh, yeah, there it is. I can't really see it.
It's dark. Ooh, yeah. That's a nice one.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh my. Look at that.
Man, that's nice.
Oh. I cannot wait to get that one cleaned up. Going in the birdie case. So small I can't even hold it up. We're having a good day. Go home, go to bed, go to work, and come back tomorrow. Look at the base on that. Brooks, I think you should come down tomorrow. See what you're missing out on, buddy. Even if it's raining. We got 4 overhangs that we can dig in. See you guys later. I'm gonna find another one before I go home because I ain't going home till I do. Hey guys, we're back home with the cleanup. We got that little birdie. We've already soaked him in vinegar too. My lady lost her ring digging. And guess what? We got it back. We should hide it. Maybe it's our good luck charm. That was unreal. We were just finding these right on top. And the overhangs we haven't dug in, so can't wait to get them dug out. Oh, that bead. Go get that bead. It's on the counter in there. This is kind of a cool little guy. 5-face. He found them 3 bird points. And then them 2. And that. I just found that bird point. And then that bead. It's the first bead I found from there, and it was right on top of these bird points.
Not a bad day at all.
Nope. We'll get back with you. I'll be back tomorrow. Oh yeah, Brooks. See what you missed out on today? Better get down here tomorrow. Peace.